Sunshine, it's our sunshine.
I'm Saiteja. Basically, I'm a computer science graduate. Actually, abroad. I did my masters. To start off with, initially I had a tooth decay which I wanted to get it corrected when I'm coming back to India. So when I came back to India, I saw a doctor, Dr. Ravindra, and I got it corrected. It's all done. Then I had this problem of the upper jaw being a bit further. So I asked for the doctor if it could be corrected or held with any braces so that it looks a bit more good. Then in the time span I had, the braces would not solve the problem. So the doctor suggested an surgery which would be done in a couple of days time, and I would be perfectly normal for the next of my life. So he suggested Dr. Dinesh Sharma, whom I have met the following week and came to know about the process. Initially my parents were very apprehensive about this process. The old myths where if you have a surgery and you have some post-operative problems, and when they met Dr. Dinesh Sharma, and they understood that that's not really true, and we actually wanted to go ahead with the process. After being taken for a couple of tests, I was perfectly normal and I was ready for the surgery. In the process, I met Dr. Dinesh Sharma and Dr. Suresh, who gave me a lot of confidence for going into the surgery. And they were pretty sure that I would look very good. I mean, previously it was okay. I mean, I was okay with my looks. But now that the surgery is done, I'm pretty much happy. Initially, I did not have any idea about a surgery being done, and only thing I knew was, I mean, if you had braces, and it would take around 1.5 years to get it done. I mean, so when I came to know about the process, it was very clear, and doctor suggested me to get it done as early as possible because post-operative time is also a bit around 3 months, I mean 1.5 months to 3 months. So this process was completed in 1 week's time. I mean, I had this test done, then followed by the surgery, and I was discharged the next day itself because I was perfectly fine and I was in safe hands. I know that I was in safe hands, so I went ahead. And one thing doctor asked me was, if you are okay with that, and I'll do it, and if it's your decision. And it was perfectly my decision. No one forced me to do that. I wanted to look more handsome. Not that I was not handsome before, but in my mom's words, yeah. But I mean, if most people don't know about this, if they are okay with that, and they can go ahead, and I'm the proof that it was very good.
Thank you, Sai, actually, for the kind words that you used about me, about the surgery and all those things. In fact, he came to me with a little concern about his gummy smile, that his teeth were more prominent, his upper jaw was more prominent and all. And he was having two options. One was like to go ahead with the braces, and other one is to go ahead with the surgery. But he had very little time with him. He couldn't spend more time. He said he has to leave India within 1 month. So the only option that was there with us at that time was to go ahead with the surgery. So I told him the surgery is a safe procedure. It would take not more than in fact 2 hours to complete the surgery. Though I told him that he will need to get admitted, and it has to be done under general anesthesia. And after getting all his tests done, and when he was found to be fit to undergo the surgery, we took him for surgery. His actually, as I said, his main concern was about his smile, and we told him about the little, kind of not complications exactly, but the swelling part after the surgery and all those things, which would be there only for maybe a couple of days, maximum a weekdays time, and after that everything would subside. He won't have any problem with eating food. He won't have any problem talking to friends. he won't have any problem regarding the function, opening the mouth and all those things. So that was the assurance that we could give, and he immediately agreed. In fact, the first thing that I wanted to know whether he wanted to get the surgery done out of some peer influence, like from his friends and all, who had told him to that they are not very happy or something like that. But because the best thing that he said, no, he had taken the decision on his own. He only wanted to get the surgery done. The parents were little apprehensive in the beginning, but when I spoke to them, they were also like quite confident about the whole procedure. And we finally did the final counseling, and then we admitted him, and we did the surgery under general anesthesia. He didn't have any complications, and he was through. And the best part is he took up everything so positively. So right now, I'm very happy that the result has come out well, and he's also very happy that the result has come out well. About these surgeries, the usual apprehensions are that there would be some post-operative problems, like we may not be able to eat food or bite onto anything like any hard things. The other apprehension among the people's mind is, will it have any effect on the eyes or things like that. So all these apprehensions are actually only apprehensions. There is no truth in that. These surgeries are quite safe. It's a very routine procedure which we normally are doing in Sunshine Hospital for quite some time, and it's a wonderful procedure, and patients usually do not have any complications other than a little swelling post-operatively for a couple of days, and they usually recover very well, and they lead a very normal life. There are no restrictions that they have to follow after the surgery.
Many patients do have this problem. They are not happy with their appearance, with their smile, but they don't know where to go and how is there any treatment available for them. Yes, and we at Sunshine Hospitals offer this type of treatment called as cosmetic facial surgery procedures, where we'll be giving an options to the patient to enhance their beauty, enhance their appearance, and enhance their smile, so that they can have a self-esteem improved and they can have a confidence in their rest of life.
Sunshine, it's our sunshine.